Assalamu alaikum, online with computers, grade 6. Grade 6, now we are going to start exercise of chapter number 7, flowchart and algorithm. Students will highlight these key terms and learn them. First one is algorithm, flowchart, counter. Students will solve this exercise by yourself, otherwise tally your exercise with this solved exercise. First question, choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Question number B, fill in the blanks. First one is flow lines. Second is rectangular box. Third one is rounded rectangle. Last one is 2 exit points. Question number C, tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. First one is this. Second, third last, second last, last one is this. Quiz. Name the following symbols: rectangle, diamond, rounded rectangle, arrows, parallelogram. Arrange the steps of an algorithm to multiply the two numbers A, B, C, D and E. Arrange the process. Question number D, answer the following questions. These are the questions and answer of these questions are grade 6 chapter number 7 page number 104 exercise questions. Question number 1, which symbol is used to represent input output in a flow chart? Answer, parallelogram symbol is used to represent input output in a flow chart. Question number 2, how many exit points does a decision symbol have? Answer, a decision symbol has one entry point but two exit points. Question number 3, which symbol is used to represent the connection between symbols of a flow chart? Answer, flow lines shows the connection between symbols of flow chart. Question number 4, what is an algorithm? Answer, an algorithm is a sequence of steps to solve a problem. Question number 5, what is a flowchart? Answer, a flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of an algorithm. Question number 6, what is the use of decision symbol? Also write one characteristics of it. Answer, it is used to take decision and follow exactly one of two flow lines. Question number 7, define counter. Answer, a counter is a variable which counts the number of times a process is repeated. Question number 8, what are the characteristics of a flowchart? Answer, every flowchart has a start and stop symbol. There is only one flow lines that come out from a process symbol. Only one flow lines is used to connect the start and stop symbols. Question number 9, what do you mean by loop? Answer, loop is a mechanism in which a task can be performed many times. Question number 10, what are the different symbols required in a flowchart? Answer, rounded rectangle, parallelogram, rectangle, diamond, arrows.